Namaste students, I am Professor Dr. Beena Diwan, Director Faculty of Law and Governance from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So, today's our topic is Enforcement of Arbitration Award and Decrees in India. Shall we start? A domestic award is basically a result from an arbitration held in India in accordance with provision of Part 1 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Given the scheme of this Act, Part 1 would be apply only in cases where the place of arbitration is in India. Section 2, subclause 2 mandates that Part 1 shall apply where the place of arbitration is in India. Section 2, subclause 7 provides that an arbitration award made under Part 1 of this Act shall be considered as a domestic award. This implies that if the place of arbitration is in India, then as per section 2 subclause 2 of the Act, the arbitral proceeding will be governed by the provision of Part 1 of the Arbitration Act. It may be noted that a part of an award made under territory of India. Domestic award also includes international arbitration award, where one party is other than India on any citizen, government or institution other than India but award made in territory of India. On the other hand, Section 44 of the Act defines foreign award as an arbitral award on differences between persons arising out of legal relationship, whether contractual or not, considered as commercial under the law in force in India. The section further provides the above mentioned provision should be in pursuance of an agreement in writing for arbitration to which the convention set for the first schedule applies, and in one of such territories as the central government being satisfied that reciprocal provisions have been made by notification in the official gazette declared to be territories to which the said convention applies. On the other hand, pursuant to the code of CPC 1908, a decree means the formal expression of an adjudication which, so far as regards the court expressing, it conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of matters in controversy in the suit and may be either preliminary or final. On the other hand, a foreign judgment is defined under section 2 subclause 6 of CPC as a judgment of a foreign court. A foreign court means a court situated outside India and not established or continued by the authority of the central government. A foreign decree is further defined in explanation second to section 44A of the CPC. Decree with reference to a superior court means any decree or judgment of such court under with a sum of money is payable not being a sum payable in respect of taxes or other charges of a like nature or in respect of a fine or other penalty, but shall in no case include an arbitral award, even if such an award is enforceable as a decree or judgment. Enforcing arbitral award. In order to enforce an award, it is mandatory for an arbitral award to become final and valid. When an award becomes final, it prevents the successful party from subsequently raising a claim on which he has succeeded. It further prevents the losing party from raising the issue on which it has lost because he believes that on the second occasion he may have a more sympathetic tribunal, more convincing witnesses, or a better advocate. Section 35 of the Act provides that an arbitral award shall be final and binding on the parties and persons claiming under them respectively. It may be noted that after the commencement of arbitral proceeding, if parties enter into an agreement or settlement not in the form and manner provided under section 35 of the 1996 Act, it does not amount to an award and does not for closed doors for the award forever. An award can be challenged under section 34 of the Act. Otherwise, it is final and become decree of court under section 35, and no objection of jurisdiction on ground of no arbitration agreement can be raised in execution. Understood? In order for an arbitral award to be valid, the award must be certain without any ambiguity. It must contain the decision, and that the award must be in compliance with all applicable laws. Domestic arbitral award. Notably, the order passed by an arbitral tribunal in arbitration seated in India will be deemed to be an order of the court and will be enforceable under the provision of CPC as if it were an order of the court which provides clarity on its enforceability. Once the arbitral award is final and valid, the award holder shall file an application for execution of the award against the award actor before the commercial court or commercial division of the High Court, subject to jurisdiction. In the meantime, in the event the arbitral award being challenged, the court reserves the power to provide injunctive relief and grant a stay on the execution of the arbitral award. It is pertinent to note that pursuant to the amendment to the Act in 2015, the party challenging an arbitral award would have to move a separate application in order to seek a stay on the execution of the particular arbitral award. may be noted that if a court finds the award to be enforceable in nature, at the stage of execution, there can be no challenge as to validity of the arbitral award. Foreign arbitral award. Section 46 of the Act provides the criteria as to when such foreign award would be binding on the parties. According to the said section, any foreign award which would be enforceable shall be treated as binding for all the purpose on the persons as between whom it was made, and may accordingly be relied on by any of those persons by way of defense, set off, or any other purpose in any legal proceeding in India. India is the signatory to the Convention on the Recognition and Enforcement of Foreign Arbitral Award 1958, as well as the Geneva Convention on the Execution of Foreign Arbitral Award 1927. If a party receive a binding award from a country which is signatory of the New York Convention or the Geneva Convention, and the award is made in a territory has been notified as a convention country by in India, the award the award would then be enforceable in India. The enforcement of a foreign award in India is a two-stage process which is initiated by filing an execution petition. Initially, a court would determine whether the award adhered to the requirements of the Act. Once an award is found to be enforceable, it may be enforced like a decree of that court. However, at this stage, parties would have to be mindful of the various challenges that may arise, such as objections taken by the opposite party and requirement such a filing original or authenticate copy of the award and the underlying agreement before the court. In order to enforce a foreign arbitral award, Section 47 of the Act mandates that the following documents to be produced before the appropriate court, like original award or a duly authenticated copy in the manner requirement by the country where it is made, original agreement or duly certified copy, evidence necessary to provide the award is a foreign award whenever applicable. Condition to enforce domestic and foreign arbitral award. Number 1, the parties to agreement were under incapacity. पहला number. Second, the agreement in question is not in accordance with the law to which the parties have subjected, or under the law, the country where the award was made, especially in case of foreign awards. There is a failure to give proper notice of appointment of arbitrator or arbitral proceeding, or the parties against whom to award was rendered was otherwise unable to present its case. Award is ultra vires, the agreement or submission to arbitration. Award contains decision on matters beyond the scope of submission to arbitration. Composition of the arbitral authority or the arbitral procedure is ultra vires agreement. Composition of the arbitral authority or the arbitral procedure is not in accordance with the law of the country where the arbitral took place. The award has not yet become binding on the parties or has been set aside or suspended by the competent authority of the country in which or under the law which that award was made. Subject matter of the dispute is not capable of settlement by arbitration under Indian law. Enforcement of the award would be contrary to the public policy of India. Clear? So, today's session is completed. If you have doubt, you can ask me. I will tell you some important question which will be beneficiary for the examination purpose. Write down in your notebook. Question 1. Domestic arbitral award. Explain it. Foreign arbitral award. Explain it. या इसको इस तरीके से भी पूछा जा सकता है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डोमेस्टिक आर्बिट्रल अवार्ड एंड फॉरेन आर्बिट्रल अवार्ड. एक्सप्लेन द एनफोर्सिंग आर्बिट्रल अवार्ड. या आपसे इस तरीके से भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है, एनफोर्समेंट ऑफ आर्बिट्रेशन अवार्ड एंड डिक्रीज इन इंडिया. Explain in detail. Thank you for listening me.